Hello friends, welcome to Cook with Saranya Deepak. Today we are going to see how to make Domino's style garlic bread. Now let's see what are the ingredients. 1 and a half cup of maida, 2 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. To the bowl add maida, add sugar, salt, yeast, half teaspoon of garlic powder. Even you can use grated garlic. Mix everything. Add 2 teaspoon of olive oil or sunflower oil. Mix everything and start kneading the dough by adding water. Make a soft dough. Now the dough is ready. Cover it with a wet cloth and set it for 2 hours. Now let's see what are the stuffing for garlic bread. 1 tablespoon of boiled corn, half teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of grated garlic, 1 tablespoon of mozzarella cheese, 1 and a half teaspoon of butter. Add garlic to the bowl. Add butter. Mix both with a whisker. Add mixed herbs. Now add boiled corns and mix everything. Now the dough has doubled its size. Punch it with your hands. Divide the dough into 2 parts. Dust with some maize flour or maida and start rolling the dough. Now start spreading the stuffing. Spread it evenly. Add some mozzarella cheese or you can use processed cheese also. Cover it with the upper part and seal it all over. Dust some maize flour or maida to the pan. Place the dough. Brush it with some butter. Sprinkle some mixed herbs or chili flakes and give a cut in between. Now let's start baking the garlic bread. Bake it at 220 degree for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the garlic bread is baked well. Remove it from the oven. Brush it with some butter. You can see the texture of the garlic bread, how soft it is. Try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. If you want me to try some new recipes, please comment below. Thank you.